Alright guys, if you're looking to boost your Google rankings for your main keywords, this tool is what you need. Let me walk you through how it can help. This all-in-one tool does more than just help you write better content. It assists with planning, analyzing your website, researching keywords, offering on-page optimizations, and much more. It's a complete AI-powered SEO solution, so let's dive in. Once you're in, the first step is to create projects. You can create as many as you need, so let's start by using one we've already set up. Step 1. Review your ranked keywords report. This gives you an overview of all the keywords you currently rank for, showing their ranking, search volume, keyword difficulty, and potential score, based on your rank, search volume, and keyword difficulty. The higher the potential score, the better. You can sort through these metrics and examine all your keywords with ease. Now, looking at your keywords, you can dive deeper into any one of them to gain a better understanding. This includes checking search volume, keyword statistics, secondary keywords, user intent, and more content ideas. You can even add these keywords to your content calendar and get a list of competitors to compare against. Step 2. Review your on-page report. This tool scans up to 500 pages of your site, pulling in every page with on-page suggestions for each. Just select a page to see an overview of its content, word count, readability, header tags, images, search traffic, and additional optimization suggestions, as well as a ranking score. You'll see the keywords that currently rank for this page and even top competitors. Step 3. Add keywords for tracking. Once you've identified keywords you want to rank for, you can add them to your tracking list. This tool offers tons of keyword suggestions, allowing you to select and track keywords as needed. Just add them to your bucket, and you can even group these keywords into clusters for better organization. For any keyword you track, you'll get a full report on volume, user intent, and content ideas. Step 4. Find content ideas and start writing. Now that you've added content ideas, you can plan and add them to your calendar. When you're ready to start writing, click on any idea and you'll see suggested keywords you might want to include. From here, use the AI editor to create either an outline or a full draft. The editor provides plenty of stats to keep your content on track, and with a few clicks, the AI will start drafting content for you. Once your draft is ready, you can optimize and edit it until it's good to publish. And that's it. If you stay consistent with planning, writing, and publishing, you'll start to see SEO improvements within a few months. Keep pushing forward, and good luck with your SEO journey.